Mula sa Mall of Asia Arena, nagbabalik po ang inyong PBA. Babala ni Coach Luigi Trillo, it's hard to play rain or shine, lalong-lalo na kapag galing sila sa pagkatalo. Remembering their own loss against the Petron Blaze Boosters, kung saan isang 3-point shot ang pumatay sa kanila. Ang sabi ni Coach Luigi Trillo, if Petron can do it, so can rain or shine. Kaya bantayan natin yung area na yan. Maguen Kinito?
Thank you, Riza. Pagkatapos na laro ito, itong Alaska will have Barangay Ginebra on Sunday, September 1. Talk and Text at September 6. Meralco sa September 8 before taking on San Mig Coffee sa September 10. Ang Rain or Shine naman has Air 21 sa August 31, Meralco sa September 6, Barako sa September 10, and Barangay Ginebra sa September 14.
At yan sinabi mo kanina, no? Maguro every game counts dito because we're only playing a single round eliminations. At pagkatapos nun, kaagad, dalawa malalaglag. And then you go to a best of two, or rather twice to be the advantage for the best of two, wala pa best of two. Twice to be the advantage.
Hindi matatapos yan, parang hindi matatapos yan.
Oo, gusto ko sabihin yung twice to be the advantage. We'll go to the top 4 playing against the next 4.
Kaya sa madali salita, lahat ng team ang target top 8. Pero pag mukha naman aabot ka na sa top 8, habulin mo na yung top 4. Para medyo yamado ka na pagdating ng playoffs. And matatapos itong elimination round, September 22, ganun po kabilis ang action dito. Hindi pwedeng makamiss ng kahit anong game day, ano?
Well, si Calvin Abueva getting 1 out of 2. He was 1 out of 4 from the free throw line in his first game. Nakaka-6 rebounds na to. He's the game's leading rebounder so far.
Kasama niya si Espinas, Ontiveros, Tos, and Reyes. Pasok itong rookie ng Alaska. Aranya is fouled taking a 3. Kasama niya sina Belga, Rodriguez, Tang, and Norwood.
He had a small, or rather slow lineup on the floor. Kanya binirik niya si Abueva. Abueva is such a game changer that he gives a lot of tempo sa laro ng Alaska and makes Alaska very unpredictable sa kanilang movement sa offense.
Aranya misses on the second. Pati yung pangatlo, mintis rin. So Alaska preserving a 6-point lead here. Ang minute pa lang ang lumilipas sa ating second quarter.
And talk about preserving, Magu, no? Both imports are sitting on the bench. How important it is to pace yung mga imports, no? Because down the stretch with the game on the line, you want them on the floor. You don't want them on the bench. So at this early stage, you want them rested.
Foul number 30, Bo Belga. That's his second foul, 2 on the
Espinas fouled by Belga. Kasama yan mula ng college pa. Pero dito, lampatawad, bakbakan, second personal on Big Bo. Of course, both gentlemen produkto ng PCU. Kasama pa nila doon si Jason Castro.
Powerhouse na team na yun, and they did win the NCAA championship. With that lineup, si Gabi Espinas scoring on the free throw. I think aware din ng Alaska that yung policy dito ng rain or shine, no easy layups. They're playing tough physical defense. Kanya umaatake sila sa loob. They're being very aggressive. They're finding themselves going to the line. So far, 10 free throws taken by Alaska.
30-second timeout requested by Coach Luigi Trillo. Meron siya hindi nagustuhan in the early goings of the second quarter. Wanting to tweak something with their attack na nagbibigay naman sa atin ng pagkakataong paalala sa lahat to witness hard-hitting MMA action sa PXC 39. Haharapin ni Mark Mugen Striegel, si The Beast, hindi po si Abueva, si Jang Yong Kim yan para sa featherweight title September 14, alas 8 ng gabi sa Inaris Sports Arena, Pasig City. Buy your tickets now, mapapanood din syempre sa Action TV sa September 15, kinabukasan yon, alas 9 ng gabi. Espinas nasa ating free throw line nga. Misses on that second.
So it's free throw woes here for Alaska. Remember, in that loss to Global Fort, they shot only 40% from the line. And ngayon, they have now missed a total of 4 free throws.
Belga. Out to Aranya. Sinaraduan ng pinto. They kick it over to Tang. TY puts it up against the shot clock. Too strong off the glass. Abueva with yet another rebound. Rafi Reyes on the move. Ooh, big pick from Thos. That's an offensive foul. T.Y. Tang blindside there.
Those turnovers of Alaska are hurting them. But despite that, they're in the driver's seat and ahead by 7. It's because they're holding Rainer Shine to just 30% field goal shooting. So yung depensa ng Alaska is their big trump card now. That's their big ace.
As T.Y. Tang knocks in the long 2, 4 na puntos na in total para kay Tyrone.
If Rainer Shine can only improve its field goal percentage, they should be in the lead because of the way Alaska's turning the ball over.
Abueva keeping this possession alive para dito sa Alaska. We take a look at this Rexona power rebound brought to you by Rexona Men with 50% more long-lasting protection so you can do more. Dondon Ontiveros with that basket, stretching the Alaska lead back up to 7. Tanto Rodriguez. Atakin sana si Espinas. They swing it out papunta kay Aranya. Rainer Shine looking for the open man. Still no go para dito kay Gabe. Pang-siyam na rebound na to para kay Calvin Abueva. Last time around si Abueva double digits din in terms of rebounding.
Hindi siya nakascore ng double digits scores.
Yeah, he only had 7 points but had 11 boards.
7-11 siya that time.
Ontiveros with a pull-up. No go. Norwood taps it over to Aranya. 3 minuto na lumilipas sa ating second quarter. Aranya's in trouble. Gets it to Norwood. Ayaw nang kunin yung 3. Gustong ilapit ni Gabe. Hindi niya maitik-tik yung bola. Rodriguez na lang off the glass. Abueva over to Reyes. 8 seconds to work with. Ravi has it taken away by Gabe. Gabe to T.Y. Huli ka ni Espinas. Norwood trying to switch over to his left hand. Gabby Espinas not giving up on that play, trailing for the big block.
And you notice that Gabe Norwood is a little gun shy and realizing that he has been missing a lot of field goals. Ang kalaban niya doon si Rafi Reyes, but he didn't challenge his defense. Malita kalaban niya. He chose to pass it off.
Pero nag-challenge dito si Espinas. Challenge na yung call ng ating officials. Kaya natawagan siya, nataga siya ng technical. So it's gonna be 3 free throws para sa Ross. Isa si Tang, tapos si Norwood pipila dyan para sa dalawa because of that foul. As Espinas goes all the way to that bench.
Norwood can't get stroke to make points. Hirap na hirap siya rito.
Is it a Gilas hangover? What's going on with Gabe as well as Jeff Chan?
Ako ang feeling ko dito, it's because of the adjustment of playing the kind of game that the Philippines needed to play under FIBA Asia style of the game. At dito sa PBA, iba-ibang laro eh. You notice when Gilas was playing, ang bilis ng laro nila. Pagkuha ng bola from the rebound or getting a turnover, kaagad sila tumatakbo. They're looking to run transition. They set up for 3-point shots. But sa PBA, the pace is not as frenetic as in FIBA Asia.
As Sonny Thomas delivers on those 2 points.
Foul on number 32, AZ Reed.
Napulot pa siyang foul mula kay Arizona Reed. Unang personal pa lang. Pero 3-point play opportunity to as Chito Jaime enters the game for the first time. Mapalitan si Norwood. So Coach Yang now digging even deeper into his bench, Kinito.
Well, with Paul Lee missing, Coach Yang Giao is looking at other guards who might be able to contribute. Chito Jaime is someone who can play the wing. He can also play a guard position. Let's see what he does here for this team.
Tanto Rodriguez, catch and shoot. No, Chito Jaime, nakipag-agawang kay Reed. Arizona prevails.
Only 5 points for AZ Reed, but see, McKinnis has also been very quiet sa laro.
Low scoring itong ball game na to, no?
And it looks like the imports are going to neutralize each other. Ito, pinapatayan nga ni Arizona Reed si McInnes.
Just when we say that, scoring now picking up. Sonny Thoss with 5 consecutive. Rodriguez looking for Reed. Abueva caught.
High foul from behind. Making sure na walang easy shot si Arizona Reed.
Changing is 83. Substitution Jeremy Cruz for Larry Rodriguez.
Jeremy Cruz checking in for the first time para naman kay Larry Rodriguez. So, sa bench ng Rayners yan, si Matias na lang at saka si Oyloan ang hindi natin nakikita.
And Matias, I think, is on the floor.
Ayun, pumasok na, no? So, Matias, Cruz, Reed, Tang, and Jaime ang 5 ni Coach Yeng. Binabantayan sina Baguio, Hazul, McInnes, Abueva, and Thoss. Sonny trying to finish with the left. Tang wanting to push it up. EY zigzagging. Ay, no!
What a
Pass
nice
to Reed.
Oh, big offensive rebound. And he called for traveling.
Everything but the shot sa attacking yon para sa Rayners Shine.
Well, kanina nakita natin, no? Alaska trying to run a pick and roll with McInnes at saka si Hasol. But instead of going to McInnes, they went to Sonny Thoss. But take a look at what happened right here. No look pass na hindi na ipasok the AZ Reed. And yes, he did shuffle his feet. They're trying to gain some kind of position there off the fix, Jeremy Cruz.
Jaime with a rebound. Here comes Chris Chu. Pinalitan na si T.Y. Tang. Kirby to Jaime. Pupunta kay Reed. Turns around. Not that kind of night para dito kay Arizona. He's been missing from left and right.
Another rebound for Calvin Abueva.
Ang 10 na yan para sa The Beast. Azul with a miss. Baguio somehow got it over to Abueva. Baguio will be rewarded. Punches it through from Days.
Unselfish play by Alaska, keeping the ball moving. Akala ko may pagkakataon dun si Abueva na saksakin yung middle area, but he chose to pass it around.
Jaime with a pull up, long to lang. Baguio nakita si Abueva sa kabilang dulo.
Oh, what a touchdown pass. Hindi lang na ipasok ni Abueva.
Nailang dito kay Jaime as Matias is fouled by Baguio. Duty foul given up by Cyrus.
Foul on number 3, Cyrus Baguio. Timeout on that series.
Alaska with this timeout up by 8 after spending the offseason trying to heal his back. Etong si the boss Sonny Thoss is definitely back in para sa Alaska. Pumesting pa to, no, ng mga alternative medicine sa China. Pinadala sila ng dalawa. Ni Calvin Abueva.
Pati si Gabby Espinas.
Pati si Espinas, pinadala rin. Pero kita mo naman, no? 16.6 rebounds, 4 assists, and a block kontra Global Port. And for more on Sonny, balikan natin si Reason.
Mag-size is something that Alaska Aces has. Kaya sabi nga ni Coach Luigi Trillo, pagsasabayin niya ng madalas itong sina Sonny Thoss at si Wendell McInnes dahil gusto nilang i-exploit yung height na meron sila ngayong gabi. He's also hoping that the other guys would play taller than they are, citing that they have to get that rebound.
Yung length talaga ang kailangan mong gamitin dito sa Rayners Shine dahil kung sa width, hindi ka mananaklo, no?
Tama, at that time, yung width ni McInnes getting the inside position, scoring.
Kaya talaga makikipakpakan.
Oo, tsaka basang-basa ni Coach Luigi Trillo. Yung kahinaan ng Rayners Shine without a natural center on the floor. Ito, nandun yung help defense, but it was Matias providing the help defense. And you need a big guy to come forward to provide the help against Wendell McInnes.
Less than 5 minutes remaining sa ating first half. Alaska still in control. Chu miss. Oh, nothing but board mula dito kay Chris. Ball will go to Alaska.
Well, Rayners Shine really missing the services of Paul Lee, the most consistent local scorer. Lee is someone who's shooting 31.3% from three-point distance. Right now, Rayners Shine is going 0 out of 7 from three-point distance, and that's a big part of their offense. Kung wala yung kanilang three-point shooting, hirap na hirap sila sa depensa. Ay, sa offense.
Yung lapad na naman, ito ni McInnes, pinahihirapan talaga. Etong rain or shine.
And now they're going to him. They're going to McInnes sa loob.
Jaime, puta tayo, nabot kay Ontiveros. McInnes over to Casio on the right. JV stopped on his tracks by Chu. McInnes out once again.
Sunod-sunod na yung mga puntos na McInnes. All of them coming from inside the shaded area. Close to the basket. That's where he can make his most damage.
Coach Yang keeping his extra rice incorporated guys on that bench. Kinyahan and Belga can only look. Baka pinapascout para makita anong gagawin later on in this match. Jeremy over a couple of defenders there, finally stops the bleeding para dito sa Rain or Shine, pero down pa rin sila by 10 points. Sonny comes out, high post kontra dito kay Jervy. Now he backs him in. Foul whistled on Cruz.
Foul on number 20, Jeremy
Still no
Cruz.
move in the part of Coach Yang Yao to bring back either Belga or Quinyan to provide tougher interior defense.
Baguio fading away off the spin. Just over 3 minutes remaining sa ating second quarter. Balik sa 12 ang abante ng Alaska. Reed goes cross court. Jaime for 3. Ontiveros steps it over to Baguio. Open court situation para sa Alaska. Baguio though bothered. Taken away by Reed. Arizona wanting to use his foot speed kontra dito kay Foss. Shake, bake, pull-up jumper. Matalas pa rin. Pero Matias is there. And Ontiveros is whistled for the personal foul.
That Rain or Shine field goal percentage is still hovering around the 30-33% area. That's not going to get the job done para sa kanila. Yung Alaska defense,
Esquinito, how are they just within 12 points of Alaska?
but you know, I'm wondering myself because Alaska should be leading by a much bigger margin, but it's because of the turnovers in Alaska. So they don't have as many possessions as Rain or Shine. It's just that asama talaga ng field goal percentage. Ito, halimaw sa rebound.
Yun na nga,
Villanueva.
yun na lang yung pambawi na Alaska. No? Despite the plethora of turnovers, at least yung offensive rebounding gumagana.
Well, you take a look at what Rain or Shine has done from the field. They're taking 7 more field goal attempts, but because they're not hitting the ball consistently inside, then at sama na kanilang shooting, and finally, breaking the ice there is Chris Chu. Alaska with 11 turnovers, ang Rain or Shine 5. And yung agwat sa rebounding is not that big, so it's really the field goal percentage of Rain or Shine that has made them fall behind by this much, 10 points.
But looking at that last sequence, mukhang nagising na ang depensa na itong Rain or Shine, who despite giving up 99 points nung nakaraan sa Petron, still leads the league in least points allowed and field goal percentage allowed.
Yes.
McInnes out-hustles Anthony Chu, and Ontiveros makes a pay.
Second chance opportunity para sa Alaska and for Rain or Shine. They just need to be able to work their place in offense. And Arizona Reed has to be in the groove offensively. Another missed attempt here for Rain or Shine.
They go to the corner, three-pointer. Dito Jaime continues to shoot blanks here.
Yeah.
Here comes JB Casio sa kabilang dulo.
Well, Coach Yang Yao is looking for a spark in offense. Someone who can really step up this squad. They're going 0 out of 10 for 3-point distance.
The power putback sana ni McInnes ay nagulangan ni Chris Chu. And he is tagged by Cyrus Baguio.
Foul on number 3,
Penalty na itong Alaska, so 2 shots parating para kay Chu.
This is second foul, Cyrus Baguio.
Well, with 1:11 to go,
Chris Chu.
ang formula dito for Rain or Shine, bilisan nila ang laro, no? Because Alaska has a lot of big guys who may not be able to keep in step sa transition ng Rain or Shine, and they need to be able to score easy shots. They need layups just to be able to get them out of the funk because ang sama ng kanilang field goal percentage. They're not hitting shots at all from the outside.
Chu goes 2 for 2, cutting this deficit to 10. 6 points in total para dito kay Chris Chu. Ontiveros over the toss. Balik kay Dondo. Nakita si McInnes. He launches from the outside. Oh. Chris Jubel direct traffic para dito sa Ross. Chris has it taken away. Casio in a foot race. Nakita si Baguio. It's a walk in the park by Skyros.
That time, turnover naman against Rain or Shine. Alaska's just been playing good team defense without getting the turnovers, but just making it difficult for Rain or Shine to get field goals. Again, a missed field goal from Rain or Shine. That field goal percentage is now down to about 30% only.
Parang may atraso tong ring sa Rainer Shine. Ano? Puro ring lang ang tinatamaan nila so far. Mga 5 segundo ang diferensya ng ating quarter clock and shot clock. Casio with a getaway on the run. The bicycle shot doesn't work. Jervy gets it across. Rainer Shine in a hurry. Jaime has to put one up. They go to Matias. Actually, Matias lang yata may alam na paubos na ang ating first half. So at the end of the first 24 minutes of action, it is Alaska by 12 points, 46-34. The boss, Sonny Thaw, starting to go to work here in the second quarter. Pati na rin etong si McInnes, nagparamdam ng kanyang bigat dito sa Rain or Shine. 12 puntos ang ibabaong kalamangan netong mga Alas.